Hello friends, welcome to my channel Hima Education Made Easy. In this example, we are going to see whether the number is prime or not. So the examples for the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. These are prime numbers as they do not have any other factors except 1 and the number itself. Okay. The basic concept of a prime number is whether it's having factor 1 and itself or any other factors are there or not. We are going to see through this. So here we are going to check this by two ways. One is by checking all the possible factors, and one more is checking only half the factors, which is an efficient way. So in order to check the whether in order to check the number is prime or not, we need to have a number. So number int. So here I'm going to take user input, enter the number. Okay, so after that I'm going to go for if condition. Okay, so prime number if number is greater than 1, then only it has to go. Okay, for I in, that means for every number in range of 2 comma num. Okay, so this is the basic condition I'm going to give in between this range. If num ampersand I, okay, for a number which has to be divided, which will give remainder as 0 for everything. For so here I is number. So let me consider let me give a number 7. So here it will run from uh, 2 to 7. Okay, in between 2 to 7 range, the value of I will vary from starting 2 to end of 7. Okay, like that it will take those things. Then print num is not a prime number. Okay, so if it is giving a remainder as 0, then it's not a prime number. Okay, then print of I comma times num divided by I is num. It has to print this one. Okay, if not, it has to break over here. Break. Okay, then we need to close this for loop, right? So for closing for loop, I'm going with else conditions. Else print num is prime number. Okay, then final else condition for if. Okay, else print number is not a prime number. Okay, so here I'm going to run this now. So it's asking for me. So here I'm going to enter 7. 7 is prime number. Okay, so here once again we'll go through these steps, and then I will see how it's working. So in this program, a variable number is checked if it is prime or not. Numbers less than or equal to 1 are not prime numbers. Okay, This is what I have given for first if conditions. Okay. Then so we proceed only if num is greater than 1. Then only we are going to execute the other part of the program. If not, we will directly go to this number is not a prime number. We are going to check if number is exactly divisible by any number other when in any number from a range of 2 to n minus 1. Okay. If we find a factor in that range, then the number is a prime number. A number is not a prime number, else the number is prime number. We can decrease the range of numbers from where we look for the factors. Okay, so this is how we are going to see. Let us give one more thing, that is 10. What output will it give? So 10 is not a prime number. Why? Because 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, so here I times number divided by I is will give you first factor is number. This is what we are going to get for this thing. After that, here if condition will get breakdown, and then if we are not satisfied with the if condition, then it will move on to else condition. This is how we are going to do it. Now we are going to move with second sort of this thing. Okay, for this also we'll be using this if conditions only, but here we are going to import math. Okay, so here we are going to import math, and then we are going to go for same thing. If num is greater than 1, then only we are going for this further loop. Okay, for I in range of 2 comma math math dot seal ceiling. Okay, maximum even if you give a float also, it will go for ceiling. Seal of our num divided by 2. Okay, then it have to go for if num percentage I is equal to 0, then we need to print number is not a prime number. Okay, then we'll go with another print statement as of previous program. I comma times num, first find order to